Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. So this is going to be a full guide on this topic, so make sure you watch it till the end to learn everything about this. First of all, open Instagram on your mobile phone. Now, click on your profile icon in the bottom right of the screen. This will show you all the posts that you would have. Now, in order to archive any post, just click on that post and you will see three dotted icon appearing at the top right of the post. Click there and you will see these tools. From these tools, click on the archive button available just right here. Now it will load and that post will instantly disappear from your profile. So that post has not been deleted but archived. And in order to unarchive that post, click on the three-lined icon in the top right side of the screen on your profile. Also, to navigate to this page, first click on your profile icon, then click on the three-lined icon in the top right of the screen. After click on the three-lined icon in the top right, you will see these options from which you'll have to choose archive option. When you click on archive, you'll be at default in stories archive. And on this page, you will see all the archived stories. Now, in order to switch to the post archive section, click on stories archive and it's going to show you these three options from which you'll have to choose posts archive. And as you can see, I just archived this post and it's appearing just right here. So click on this post, click on the three dotted icon in the top right and click on show on profile. Now click on show on profile and that post will be instantly unarchived. So that's the simple way through which you can archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.